the apron apart now. This spindle was already taken out. There you go, there shouldn't be too much to this. Probably just 4 screws on there. But, we'll see how we get on with this. I'm not sure how long we've got left on the battery, not long. But, I do need to order another battery for that camera. All in good time. Looks good in there. This silver grease. There that is. So, is that supposed to undo now? I would imagine that does, doesn't it? So maybe I've got to put this back in. Typical, isn't it? It won't come out. Just to get it moving. There you go, that's pretty much it. It all looks in pretty good condition. I think they could be bronze. It's got that nice silver grease on there, but that's all going to come off. I think they're brass or bronze, but they're in very good condition. Oh, it's just This again, loads of guns. Probably the first time this has ever had a clean in its life, poor thing. I'm hoping under here somewhere I might eventually find a name somewhere, or a number or something. Probably not, but never mind. So, there we go. I found out what that hole is in the end there for. I thought it was just like a handle that's missing, but part of the assembly that sits headstock end for the lead screw, it's got for a dog clutch, and that's where the dog clutch links up to the half nut handle. When you're screw cutting, it'll disengage the lead screw, apparently, but that's all missing, so that's something I'm going to have to try and figure out how it works. I don't think there's any chance of finding parts for this anyway, but I might have a go, see if I can get it working. You never know. There you go, it's clean up time for this lot. Get it all cleaned and polished and get that prepped and painted. I've been painting today. I'll show you the rest of what I've been doing. Just give my hands a wipe, and that'll over the camera. Oh, battery's about to die. Anyway, over there, that's what I've been painting today. We've got the tailstock, the carriage wheel, tailstock wheel, the banjo, the gap, the two ends for the lead screw. And then over here we've got the main body of the lathe. That's all painted up. And then of course over there on the bench, I've built a new bench over there that the lathe's going to sit on. So there's all the other bits. So there we go, that's progress so far.